All right, here we go. Let's get after the skis. I wanna expand the rear ski. We gotta mount the front ski, and I gotta expand the front ski too. Check out the fork. Oh, the fork looks good. So we're building the skis. In order to space the skis the proper distance from the ground, we need to have wheels in this. Now let me show you the wheels that were on this bike. All right, so here's what was on the bike originally. Nothing special here, okay? Single wall, real cheap, just whatever came on this bike. Not only that, but let's give the rear one a spin here. Not great. And that's after I spent some time truing it up. So let me show you what I got. I got a surprise. All right, so I guess by surprise, I mean, I'm just not gonna show you me making these, but my day job is I work at a bicycle rim factory, Velocity USA, if you've heard of it. So I got myself some Velocity ailerons because they're pretty aero. They've got an aero shape, so I'm thinking they're gonna cut through the water. Anyways, all right, let's get these, let's get the tires on these and we'll get them mounted up and then we'll get started on the skis. Oh, God, that looks so good. That fork. All right, that's enough oogling. Let's get to work. Time for a little mock-up here. Oh, yeah. I'm seeing it. Are you seeing it? I'm seeing it. All right, I got the mock-up set up hands-free now. Man, that looks good, huh? I'm still just, that fork just gets me. So here's a comparison of the new front ski compared to the old one. You can see it's a lot wider. I think that's what I need. I think I just need more surface area. Now, when we look at the old one, you can see this was bending up on me. I was hitting the water hard, and this was just kind of digging in. So that's why I wanted a little bit more width on the front. But then also, I'm obviously going to need, more support up on these corners. I need support all the way to the front. That way, this doesn't bend up in the front. I don't want the front digging in again. So yeah, we got a good start here, but next step we got to do the bracing. Actually, you know what? I might skin the bottom of it first. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the aluminum on now. while I'm sitting here staring at this, trying to imagine how I'm gonna brace this up. It needs to be really strong all the way at the front, and you know, the whole thing needs to be strong, but here's where I have to mount it to, so I'm gonna have to come up pretty high, I think, if I want it to be real strong. I did brace the fork, so the fork is stronger. I think if this front ski is really nice and rigid, and then we get a little bit more surface area on the rear skis, I think we're gonna be in good shape. Oh yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna do it. Oh man, I'm thinking that looks pretty good. It's pretty strong. When I push on it on the bottom, it doesn't flex anywhere. It's got a little bit of flex in the middle here. I might brace that, but I might just leave it. I think it'll probably be fine. Truth be told, I switched to MIG welding so that I wouldn't have to hand file all those miters. I cut them on the bandsaw and I got them close and then just MIG welded. Way faster. I've been at this a long time anyways. It's super hot out today and just wanted to get it done, and this is going to do the job. Alright, so all we need to do to finish this up is trim these corners. Just this extra sheet metal, and then I'm going to wrap this in tape just like I did in previous years. Just so I don't end up cutting myself on this. A little test ride in the driveway. Well, sure hope it works. Alright, well that's it for today. Next time we're going to tackle the rear skis. I'm going to add a little bit of surface area back there too. But for today, I'm pretty happy with this. We got the front ski done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, follow.